You guys, I was told to bring my tale on here and share this with you ASAP. If you are seeing this, no matter where on the internet you are seeing this message is for you. How about, I was in contemplation. Typically I'm in contemplation and I hang out with Yeshua Christ. He's my master teacher, my mentor, whatever. And we hang out quite a bit, chat it up, whatever. And when I'm in contemplation, sometimes I'll be asking questions and getting answers. And then there are times when he'll come through and I'll be like, hey, Yeshua, what's up? You got a message for me? And he'll say, yeah. And I'm like, cool. And then I'll come out with, how can I help you? And I'm like, excuse me. Not how can I help you? Thank you. What's the message? I'm listening. And I laugh about it. And it's been like the past several months, what I would do this on and off. And I'm like, why do I keep doing? I'm not the most forgetful person. So why do I keep saying that? So it happened again today. And I was instructed to come here and post this for you because I got the message. I said, how can I help you? And I laughed about it. And then it clicked. That is the right question. How can I help you serve at this time? How can I be of service at this time? Ding, 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 ding. I was asking it right the whole time. It makes sense now because why else would I keep saying it? It was like my mouth was moving and the words were coming out like almost uncontrollably. So anyway, the answer for me and for you is be who you are. And you ever heard of that term, lead by example? Well, the term that was given to me was love and lead by example. How do I do that? What does that mean? It means all the things that you wanted to create and you wanted to do it. Be an example for people to look at you and see themselves being able to be who they are as well. They can see their potentiality just by looking at you. They know that it's not something that's only for some people or for special people. It's for everyone. And also to lean deeply into my ability to manifest on autopilot. I was like, wow, that's interesting. And essentially do it in front of folk, whatever that is. If it's the family or neighbors, share, create, be creative in whatever I do. And this is meant for the person who is watching this, all of this. Okay, so you're living and leading by example, by being who you are in truth. Your quirkiness, your loudness, your uniqueness, whatever your charms are, you be that without apology. You are the blueprint for how you're meant to show up. And so you need to do that so that other people can know they can do it too. Sometimes people need permission slips. There's several times when I needed a permission slip. That's just the human condition. Permission slips to be like, oh, well, if this person is doing it and they're living their life, their best life, they're having a great time, then let's just, let's get it. Let's let my freak flag fly too. Say that 10 times fast. And it's like, and then when you're doing this and be creative, whether you're an accountant in corporate America, in the arts industry, be your creative genius self. Whether you're teaching, and then whatever it is that you do, share it as you learn, share it. It doesn't have to be like on the internet, but if that resonates with you, then that's what you are supposed to do. It could be within your family, because when you do that within the family, imagine how that then trickles over to other people. And the reason why this is so important is because the collective consciousness will vibe based on the overall vibration. Okay, so as you're doing this stuff and you're having fun and you're leaning into your talent, what happens is you're raising your vibrational frequency, which automatically raises the frequency for the collective. And the more people that do this, the more we lean more into a higher vibe and a less dense reality. Okay, we anchor, we plug in to the reality and to the desired life that we want, what we want to see. So think about too, whatever you're eating or drinking, watching on television, the conversations you're having, your overall attitude, your overall perspective on all the things. It's okay to observe. I mean, we're human. It's okay to participate in certain things, but at a certain point, you have to resonate up out of those in order for your true light to shine through. Okay, it's like be in the world but not of this world. Be in love, not in fear. The more you create and be yourself, you have that self-love that comes from within you. It radiates out into everything that you do. And that was the overall message. A lot of people have all these concerns and they're afraid and they're worried and they're scared. But really it starts with self. Start with yourself. Do all the things that you know how to do, that you want to do. A lot of people sit on their gifts. A lot of people sit on their gifts. A lot of people sit on their gifts. They're sitting on these gifts and they're keeping them to themselves. And the reason you have these gifts, skills, and talents is because it's part of your light frequency. And if you've always wanted to write that book, write that song, sing, then do it because it's needed. People feel like you got to fight everything. No, it's not about fighting. It's about loving. The more love there is, the less there is for a need to feel like you have to fight for something. Does that make sense? Anyway, that was the message. I love this for us. And I'm not even finished with my conversation yet, but I was told to get my tail on here to share it. And so that's what I am doing. Wow. Anyway, I'll talk to you later.